What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got the 2023 and this is what they call the Mustang right there, the Mustang Mach E. Now I just pulled up to a blink charger and I'm going to start it up and see if we can charge this vehicle. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is just push that there, place this. Right, all it takes, of course, tap. Go ahead and tap right now. Right there is authorizing. Okay, perfect. Now that it's charged, a little expensive. It's 49 cents per kilowatt hour, and it's supposed to be a fast charge. So yeah, we'll start it up and see what happens. As you guys can see right here, it's charging. Okay, let's jump on the inside, hang out in here. Car's at 40%, and it's saying in order for it to charge to 100%, it will be finished by 11:19 tonight. I don't know how fast of a charger that is, but I don't think I want to wait until 11:19 tonight. Right now it's 203, 85 degrees outside, but of course I can run the air condition, so it's all good. I just wanted to do a quick video just based on this 2023 Mustang Mach E charging, you know, just to get an idea of how long does it take to charge. And like I said, I'm gonna wait here. Let's see, maybe a half an hour, maybe 15 minutes. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, I'll come back with an update to see how long it takes to actually charge and then what is the cost. What up, guys? Welcome back. Still in this Mustang Mach E, and the charging still going on. Got 44%, and it's saying charging will end at 11:28 tonight now. So like I said, it's exactly 30 minutes. I'm about to jump out there right now and check out the chart, see how much we're doing or how much we've gone so far, so we can do some comparing. So I'm about to disconnect this, and then I will just push right here, pull out, and then right there I stop the charging, and then that's the number that we're looking at. So that's $1.64, and as you can see, all the details is there. 49 cents per kilowatt hour and how much I charge. And yeah, I'm going to just put this back in, and yeah, so that's $1 worth it takes. So I'm going to take this car to another charging port somewhere, you know, and then try to compare this one and see if it makes a difference. It's really slow. All right, guys, so just a quick update here. Charging area right here I'm pulling up to. So let's turn the car off, set the parking brake, and then jump out here and see what this one is all about. This one is charge point, so the same process. Pull that one, insert. Here, it's another credit card process, so right there. I don't know, there's nothing that says, I don't see anything that says when it's charging. I mean, I'm putting my credit card there, but it's not telling me when it's activating or anything. Let's try it again. Well, I can't get this thing to charge, so I'm going to put this thing back in. All right, guys, so here is the update for you, right? This is what it is. This is a charge point charger. Even though it says charge here, it's supposed to be a free charger at this Taco Bell, so they're not charging. I called ChargePoint, they activated this thing, and now I can actually plug it up to the car and it's charging right now, right? So they're telling me that this one charges 9.6 kilowatt hour, or, you know, so that's about 30 miles per hour worth of charge. So yeah, I got the charging rolling right now with this one, and I'm looking at it and it's telling me that in order for this thing to be fully charged from 40%, we're looking at 10:40 at night. Yeah, that's 40%. And right now it's at 4:36. So if I leave the car here, it'll charge by tonight, you know, but if not, then, you know, it will take forever. So you can see from 4:37 to 10:40, that's a few hours right there. Sounds like about 5 hours. So I'm gonna charge it a little bit and then see what happened. And then, yeah, that's it. So I just wanted to do a quick video just to get a quick, you know, update on these charging things, to see how they work, you know, and how difficult it is. This is my first time actually grabbing one of these, you know, Mustang Mach E, and the charging is not the greatest. You have to find a charge point, or, you know, let you find a Merc or some other charging port that's not a Tesla, because not all the Teslas use or allow other EVs to jump on into their charging port. So like I said, just wanted to make a quick video. You know, keep this in mind when you're thinking about buying an electrical vehicle. I mean, they're great, they drive great, but you know, you might have some issues here and there with the charging until they get better. All right, people. So a quick update: 47%. I start charging at 4:31. It's going to finish charging at 10:35. That's what it is. Just a quick update right here on this vehicle. I'm not going to wait on this charger. I'm just going to charge another 5 minutes and then I'm leaving. I have to figure out how to get a super fast charger, because this is definitely not working. Too long of a time to charge this car. All right, cool.